Hi beautiful and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing this wavy bob, asymmetrical. We can go into the details a little bit more as we get into the video. I did it glueless using my liquid bold hold, liquid gold, messed it up, it's fine. Yeah, got a little simple baby hair. Did everything from start to finish. So if you like what you see and want to keep watching, do it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
Hey y'all, I'm back and I'm making hair videos again. I noticed that by the intro, but I decided that this channel will be specifically for beauty related content. I'm gonna do what the fuck I want on JaLeah. JaLeah is my new channel where I'm gonna be JaLeah. If you want to see me acting like myself and you care about me, love me, want to support me, you can definitely subscribe to JaLeah. It'll be down below in the pinned comments. It'll also be in the description box, and it's also on my community tab, and it's also should be on my channels tab of my channel. So definitely support me in my new endeavor. It would really mean a lot. I can't wait to get back to the foundation of why I started YouTube. I feel like I've gotten a little lost in the beauty side and it doesn't really spark joy for me, but I be paying them rent. So y'all like it pay my rent, I'm gonna keep doing it. I'm gonna do what I want over on JaLeah. So again, if you want to support me, eventually hopefully like JaLeah just takes off so well that like I don't have to do this no more. And that's what I really would like. So, but in the meantime, here we are doing this hair content. Here's this hair video for y'all today. Let me show you my mannequin I did yesterday. I'm really proud of her. I wasn't proud of her yesterday. She looked a little messy yesterday, but today's a new day and now I kind of like her. I don't have a name for her yet. If you guys want to leave a name for my mannequin head that I just did, you know, name her. I got her eyebrows. I cut the lace so y'all can see her. I got the eyebrows together. I got her eyeshadow. I did the lashes, the bottom lashes. I really nigga-nacked the bottom lashes because there was a lashes that came with her. Now let's cut them up. And I got the inspiration from TaylorMade Jane. So if you're interested in like naming my mannequin head, leave me a name down below so we can name her. This is the wig I'm about to do today. It's from UNice Hair. It is a asymmetrical bob. Now UNice, we gotta talk a little bit because why didn't you give me the option of my part? It's like I can only wear this on the right side. I'm not a right side part kind of bitch. I'm about to wear this part on the right side because that's what it is and that's just what I gotta do. But I'm not a right side part bitch. You gotta either make a left side part bob, or you gotta give us the option to, you know, part on the other side. Because the hair, like, cut, I don't know, it don't give you that option. You gotta wear it in the right part. I plucked the fuck out of it. I bleached the fuck out of it. She is banging. She hitting at all the angles. Yeah, shouts out to her. Anyway, I'm gonna take her over here. I'm about to crimp it. That's what I'm about to do. I'm about to crimp this wig. I feel like it'll be really cute crimp bob. Don't be sticking to my lip. I thought it would be a really cute crimp bob, so I'm gonna make it a crimp bob. So I'm gonna put it on my other mannequin head and we about to start crimping it. I'm gonna use this Vidal Sassoon crimper. It's my mom's. I don't know where this is from. If I find one that's similar to it, I'll link it, but this is different than the bedhead one. It's a little bit more loose, and that's the vibe I'm going for. So, Vidal Sassoon crimper. After what feels like a billion years, like I'm finally done. My lip gloss done went away. I only got a top lip. Like that's how long I've been crimping this hair. And the front don't even look right. But I'm gonna keep going. I guess I can just crimp the front again and make it look presentable because the side look good. The side look like she know what she's doing. But this, I don't know what happened. Maybe I got lazy. I don't know. I'm gonna use my liquid gold and I'm gonna do my little layers, blow dry it on. Y'all know how this go. I can't really talk through this portion, but y'all gonna see what's happening. So stay tuned. All right, I think I'm secure enough. I'm gonna start cutting my lace, and you know, we still got some blow drying to do. So I can't talk. I can't even do it. I'm gonna try to use this Sebastian Shaper hairspray. I don't know why why it wouldn't work. Other hairsprays be working. I feel like this ain't no different, so I'm gonna try it. So I'm thinking I really just want to do like a slick baby hair right here and then like a little curly one right here. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use my ORS grip gel. I got a new one, y'all. I've been had a new one. Y'all know how a new one? I got a new one. It's new. And then I got I got this edge fixer, and that's what I'm gonna use to do my baby hair. Alright, I got my baby hair done. I'm about to cheat the game. I'm not doing the sidebar right here. I don't feel like it. I'm not going nowhere. It's 9 o'clock. And I'm burping. This little crimp part right here, because it's just not. Why does my camera keep unfocusing on me? I'm right here. I'm right here. Even if I'm back here, it should be on me. All eyes on me. Now if I catch you white motherfuckers looking at anything, I'm gonna beat your ass like a runaway slave. Like, what's going on? I'm about to just like mold this to my head real quick because I want it to be like flat and then crimp. So that's the vibe. I'm about to just, you know. I probably could do this side bang piece on my head, but I didn't. I done crimped this a lot of times. I'm gonna just come back when I look right and I got a shirt on and I got my lips back on. Cause I done crimped all I could crimp. All I'm gonna do is try to make this look uniform on the side of my face and then I'm out of here. So I'm gonna do that off camera. This is essentially the look. I'll be back. So this is the final look. I don't know why I'm so yellow. I hope that balances out. Stop. Anyway, here's the final look. I got on this little tank top. It's a dress. It's a tank dress. Y'all gotta see it. I wore this already. Yeah, I don't know. I'm going with the bob. Maybe it's because it's on this side of my head and it's just like, what the fuck is going on? We don't ever do that. Why are you doing that now? But like I said, given the circumstances, that's what we had to do. So here's a little asymmetrical bob with the waves. I like this side. I wish it was on this side so I could feel like I like it. But I mean, execution went decent. This wave in the front could be better, but hey, I ain't leaving my house. If you recreate this, make sure you do this together so it can look seamless. And like, cause I like how this all looks like it makes sense. I don't think this side look like it makes sense, but that's fine. Ain't nobody gonna beat my ass. Ain't nobody gonna beat your ass if you wear it like this and it's not together. It's fine. Again, shout out to UNice for sponsoring today's video and to me this hair. Yeah, I've been liking this like light medium lace. I said that in a video of like I don't know when. But some medium lace is just too dark, but this medium brown lace is really perfect. It's a little dark, but like it's not too dark. Like I can't get away with it. Like if I put another swoop here and a swoop here, like nobody would know. So yeah, here's the vibe. Here's the vibe. I feel like I like it. I wanted to give like a wavy type vibe, so that's what I did. Got me a little pearl earring in, but I kind of like it over my ear. So yeah, this is the final look. Took me forever. I anticipated this to take an hour. It took me like 5 billion. So hope you guys give it a like and a comment and subscribe to my second channel, please. It would mean a lot to me. I want to really pursue things that make me happy, and subscribing would be a major help. I got my first video coming in September. I have a great plan for it. Hope everything goes according to it, or at least kind of according to it, so I can get that content out for you guys. But either way, new content coming on JaLeah link down below, pin comment, make sure you subscribe there. And on that note, follow me on Instagram, Beauty Fidgely. I ain't been posting a lot, but I plan to, so get on that. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you next video. Bye, beautiful.